how to eat less but stay full longer, don't have that hunger feeling, and how to eat optimal ingredients to maintain your weight. Well, we have three macronutrients in our body, so three essential groups that keep us healthy. That's protein, fat, and I'm referring here to healthy fats like avocado and seeds, and carbs. When it comes to staying full, it's the protein and also the fat that keeps you fuller longer. And ironically, these two don't have the so high calorie content as carbs do, because carbs are meant to be more energy based, and therefore 100 grams of carbs normally has much more calories than 100 grams of meat. In this video, I want to talk to you about a very quickly way of filling in that nutritional gap that's caused by not eating enough protein, or maybe if you do eat a lot of meat protein, you would like to reduce that by replacing it with plant protein. The problem with plant protein is that there is no plant that gives you all 9 essential amino acids, and I would like to remind you that we eat protein mostly to give our body amino acids, which is used back to regenerate your liver, your heart, your brain. So if you do want to switch to a plant-based protein, you might find it hard to replace it in full with just soy and peas and other items. So this is where I really recommend you to try this Nutrilite product. It's formed of 98.5% plant protein, and if I scoop it out, it's just like a flour formed of pea protein, soy protein, and wheat protein. Both wheat and soy do not have the rest of the elements that could be detrimental to other people, and only the protein is isolated from these three plants. It's isolated from plants, is not a copy of the plant's content, and therefore when you try this product, for every 10 grams you get 8 grams of quality protein that keeps you fuller longer. So how do you test the quality of a protein powder? Simply see how long it keeps you full. This is the best example that I can give you. So with 98.5% actual protein from plants, this does produce that full effect of expected results in a protein powder. And I also have to mention that because it has a combination of pea, soy, and wheat, then what it actually gives to you is all 9 essential amino acids that we need, which is absolutely fantastic. You can add it to absolutely anything. For example, in the morning, I just had a homemade yogurt and I put another scoop of 10 grams of Nutrilite plant protein, because this way I take my meal close to 25 to 30 grams protein per meal, which is optimal. But I don't increase severely the level of calories per meal, which is also fantastic. An adult needs 0.82 grams of protein per kilogram. So if you exercise, that can increase as high as 1.5 grams. So if you rely strictly on the meat, which is indeed still a really good source of protein, or eggs or cheese, then you will have a higher calorie content, and you would also have sometimes side effects, because it's down to the quality of everything we eat, not just the ingredients. And that takes me to the second point about this product, which is the pea, the soy, and the wheat are grown in optimal conditions on Nutrilite farms, controlled from seeds to end results. This way we reduce contamination, any risk of contamination from the air, from the soil, because Nutrilite pays a lot of attention to this. I would say it doesn't actually have a taste. It's almost like flour in flavor, and because of that it can be added to food without altering the content, the flavor, and it can be heated. It won't destroy the protein content in it. If you do try this product, find the purchasing link down below. Remember that you can try it and test me if what I'm saying is true, And if you disagree with my input, then you can always return it and you get a full refund. And that's one of the things that I really like about endorsing this. I do endorse it. I'm promoting it because I use it. It's in my house all the time. And if I do want to optimize on the cost, then it's a container is for 45 days, as I use 10 grams a day. And furthermore, I can set it on recurring order, and that gives me a further 5% discount for every container. So when it comes to actually paying for the product, there are various ways of getting it to more accessible prices if you do find the price to be a challenge. However, it's a plant-based product, and this is why we do use it with confidence. Welcome to my channel, and I do invite you to subscribe by clicking on the small button subscribe next to my name. If you do find this information useful, then please do share it by clicking on the button of share. Thank you.